na. Good day everyone, especially to Miss Moira. I am Raji B. Balyanka, reading my essay in Agriculture Application of Alkanes and Alkanes. Alkanes and alkanes are two primary classes of hydrocarbons, have significant application in agriculture, particularly in pest control and crop protection. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons with single bonds. Alkanes are primarily used in agriculture as a component of various oil, wax, and solvent. Due to their hydrophobic nature, alkanes are effective in farming protective coating that prevent moisture loss in plants. Halimbawa, ginagamit ang mga alkanes sa paggawa ng mga agriculture spray na gumagawa ng barrier sa ibabaw ng mga halaman na nagpapababa ng evaporation ng tubig at nagpaprotekta sa mga pananim mula sa pagtuyot sa mga tuyong lugar. Bukod dito, matatagpuan din ang mga alkanes sa ilang mga pesticide at herbicide bilang solvent na tumutulong sa epektibong paghahatid ng mga aktibong sangkap sa target na pest or weeds. Alkanes are unsaturated hydrocarbons with at one double bond alkanes, characterized by their carbon-carbon double bonds, are more reactive than alkanes, and play a crucial role in synthesis of various agriculture chemicals. Alkanes also serve as precursors in the production of agriculture plastic and film, such as polyethylene. These materials are used extensively in mulching, greenhouse covers, and silage bags, offering protection against environmental factors, maintaining soil temperature, and reducing weeds growth. Sa kabuuan, ang mga alkanes at alkanes ay mahalagang bahagi ng iba't ibang agrikultura, mula sa proteksyon ng pananim hanggang sa proteksyon at materyales. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.